This week, the AI story small business owners should pay attention to is not just about productivity, it is about trust. Recent reporting shows that AI is making text message scams and phishing attacks more convincing, more personalized, and much easier to scale. Scammers can now generate realistic messages, fake websites, customer service language, and payment requests faster than ever before. At the same time, AI tools for small business are becoming more useful. Platforms are connecting AI into everyday tools like accounting systems, CRM platforms, email, documents, marketing, and customer service. So here's the CEO lesson. The more AI speeds up your business, the more intentional you must become about trust controls. For a small or mid-sized business, one fraudulent wire request, one fake vendor invoice, or one compromised customer message can become a very expensive lesson. The best practice is not to avoid AI. The best practice is to pair AI adoption with a simple CEO trust standard. Let me suggest 5 practical steps. First, separate speed from approval. AI can help draft emails, summarize invoices, prepare customer replies, and organize financial information. That is useful, but speed should not equal authority. Any payment, wire transfer, bank change, payroll change, or vendor account change should require human verification through a trusted channel. That means your team should not approve money movement based only on an email, text message, or AI-generated summary. Second, create a callback rule. If someone requests a change to payment instructions, bank details, payroll information, or a large purchase, your team should call a known phone number already on file, not the number in the email, not the number in the text, the number you already trust. This is simple, but it works because scams often depend on urgency and convenience. Third, train your team on what AI has changed. Old scam training told people to look for bad grammar or strange wording. That is no longer enough. AI can make fake messages sound polished, professional, and familiar. So train your team to look for pressure, unusual timing, changed instructions, secrecy, and requests that bypass normal process. The question is not, does this message look real? The better question is, does this request fit our standard process? Fourth, protect customer communication. If your business uses AI to respond faster to customers, make sure your brand voice and approval rules are clear. AI should improve clarity and response time, not create promises your team cannot keep or expose private information. Set boundaries for what AI can draft, what it can send automatically, and what requires review. Fifth, make cyber discipline part of leadership culture. This is not just an IT issue, it is a CEO issue because it affects cash, reputation, customer confidence, and team accountability. Talk about it in leadership meetings. Review near misses. Celebrate people who slow down and verify. Make it acceptable to pause a transaction when something feels off. Here is the takeaway. AI can help small businesses move faster, but speed without trust controls creates risk. The CEO best practice is to build a trust standard before the crisis. Decide now how your company verifies money movement, customer communication, vendor changes, and sensitive requests. Because in the age of AI, the safest companies will not be the slowest companies. They will be the companies that know exactly when to move fast and exactly when to stop and verify.